Hey there, YouTube fam. Gather round and let me tell you a story about a king and a poor young man from a little village. So, there was this old king, right? He didn't have a son to take over when he kicked the bucket. So, he sends out these messages all over the kingdom, like, hey, if you're a young dude who loves people, come chat with me, and maybe you can be the next king. Of course, every young guy in the country was stoked about the idea of ruling the land. And there was this one poor guy from a tiny village who decided to give it a shot. He was kind and hardworking, but life hadn't been easy on him. He didn't even have nice clothes to wear for a royal interview. But this dude was determined. He worked his butt off, saved up some cash, and bought himself some snazzy new threads and supplies for the long journey to the palace. On his way, he was almost at the palace when he ran into this raggedy beggar who was freezing and starving. The young man took one look at him, felt his heart go out to the guy, and gave him his new clothes and food. But now, he was back to looking like a hot mess. Still, he mustered up the courage to go to the palace in his old, dirty clothes. When he got there, he cleaned up a bit and went in for the interview. He bowed to the king, and when he looked up, he thought, wait a minute, this king looks a lot like the beggar I helped. And guess what? The king was the beggar. He dressed up like that to test the young man's true heart. The king told him, you showed love and generosity without expecting anything back. That's the kind of leader this country needs. You're gonna be my successor, dude. The moral of the story, guys? Kindness is way more important than wisdom. A heart full of compassion and love for others is the best gift we can give to the world. A rich and powerful king might seem like he's got it all, but a kingdom is worth nothing compared to the heart of a loving, selfless person. And that's it for today's motivational story, friends. Thanks for watching, and stay blessed.